Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
All day.
Whoa. Anyone getting a demo? You going in? I'll go in.
Oh shit. This ain't shit to me. I've seen this.
Okay.
Oh hell yeah, the hot spot.
Whoa.
Yeah, I changed it.
Oh wow. Since the window kept breaking, you had to put in a whole welded, fabricated.
Yeah, we busted 14 windshields and then stopped.
Really? How thick is this? About
an inch.
Wow. So these are
No, those are Nightshades.
Sundown Nightshades. Okay. Whose build was it? Yeah, yours and
Mine and my husband's Josh.
Okay, Josh. Nice. What are y'all peaking at? Do you know the frequency?
38.
38. Okay. And meter score. What's the best y'all got out of it?
We hadn't even turned it up yet, and it did a 63.6,
Okay.
I think.
Yep. Wow.
Got
I know.
the volume down on the radio and hadn't
Yeah.
cracked the bass knob all the way
Yep.
up.
Okay. What size alternator did y'all have?
240.
Just 240. Oh, wow, that's really good.
You just got a regulator on it.
Yeah. How much lithium do y'all have?
How much is this? 135.
135? Wow. And y'all are killing this door.
That door is hit.
Yeah. Your voltage hardly moves too.
Nope, it stays pretty steady.
Yeah, that's really good. What size alternator did y'all have?
240.
Just 240. Oh, wow, that's really good.
You just got a regulator on it.
Yeah. How much lithium do y'all have?
How much is this? 135.
135? Wow. And y'all are killing this door.
That door is hit.
Yeah. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Crystal.
Crystal. Thank you, Crystal. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.